Hey guys, this is Art, and today's drawing is going to be a battle-damaged Iron Man from Avengers Endgame. Originally, this was just going to be a quick drawing of Iron Man, but as you saw in the thumbnail, things went in a different direction. First, I decided to add the gauntlet, and then after that, I added a whole lot of detail and went crazy in the battle-damaged effects. And the way to make something look like metal is to understand the way highlights appear on it, which gives the illusion that it is metal. And here I'm adding the basic color blocks to the gauntlet while adding the electricity that's going to be coming out of it. Adding an outer glow and adding white to the core of each one so that it appears that it's powering up. And having the blending mode at multiply, here I'm just adding detail to the gauntlet. Metal is very reflective, so here I'm just emphasizing that highlight. And now onto the fun part of making something look battle damaged. My next video will be a very detailed video on explaining how to fully achieve this effect in your drawings. So be on the lookout for that video next week. But in short, the way you create this effect is the use of just highlights and shadows that create the appearance that something is battle damaged. You notice the core is dark and the very edge is light, so by doing that it creates the appearance of depth and it makes it look battle damaged. And to give the appearance that metal has been stripped off as seen here, you have to make the edges very light and add the shadows where needed to give that appearance. And the great thing about drawing something that's battle damaged is you can draw as much as you want until it's enough for you. And here is a printout of the final completed drawing of battle damaged Iron Man from Endgame. And what was originally supposed to be a quick drawing ultimately became something else. And to be honest, I'm glad it did. Sometimes while drawing, you just have to go where you're led. And that's it. If you like this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell so you never miss any new drawing that I do. And until the next video guys, goodbye.